This game is called Make 10 and you can play this game on your own. And all you need is a pack of cards. And out of the pack of cards, I'm going to take out all the face cards. So we don't need the jacks or the queens or the kings or the jokers. You can take them all out and leave them aside. You could use Uno cards to play this game as well. So to play the game, the first thing you need to know is your 10 bonds, the pairs of numbers that add to make 10. So the first pair you might know is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 makes 10. So that's one of our pairs. Another pair is 7 and 3. Another pair, 6 plus 4 makes 10. That's a 10 bond. 5 plus 5 makes 10. And the last 10 bond you know is 9 plus 1. We're going to let the aces equal to 1 in the pack of cards. There's one other 10 bond that you might know, and that's 10 plus 0. There are no zeros in a pack of cards, so 10 on its own will work to make a 10 bond. So to play the game, you first of all deal out 10 cards. I've made 2 rows of 5. And I'm going to turn over my cards. And when I find a pair of cards that makes 10, I'll show you what you can do. We've made our first pair. 7 plus 3 makes 10. So I can now deal out 2 new cards on top. And here's another 10 bond, 2 plus 8. So I can put 2 new cards on top of the 2 and the 8. No more 10 bonds here, so I'm going to keep going. 7 and a 10. There's a 10 on its own, so I can put another card on top. No more 10 bonds, so I'll keep going. Oh, there's a 4. 4 plus 6 makes 10. The winner of this game, or you win the game, when you're able to get rid of all the cards in your pack. So let's keep going. 5 plus 5 is a 10 bond. We'll deal them out. Any more 10 bonds? No, I'll keep going. It's an 8. Yes, 3 plus 7. Deal out 2 more. Now, do you remember that aces equal 1? So you can see another 10 bond here. 9 plus 1. And now I can see that I have a 10 and another 10 on its own, so I can put another card on top. Let's keep, oh, I nearly missed one. 8 plus 2. And another 8 plus 2. One more card. Let's keep going. Here's a 9. Okay, let's look for 10 bonds. Here's a 9 and an ace, which is 1. So that's a 10 bonds. There's a 10 on its own. I'm nearly at the end of my pack of cards. 9 plus ace. Aces make 1. I have a 4 and a 6. That's a 10 bond. Another 4 and a 6. I have a 6 and a 4. And I'm done. All my cards are dealt out, so I've finished Make 10 Solitaire.